This one is using no hardware. It's not even pegs or anything like that. Everything's pretty bulky, and so because of that, it can just fit by the force of gravity right where you put it. The only joint that we used are saddle joints. The seat here, it has a saddle joint underneath above each of these logs, which are the feet. Above that, there's the cross beams that are just sitting there by gravity. They're pretty big and heavy. And then above that is the tabletop, two half-sawn trunks that are then plain sanded, and they have the saddle joints below them so that they sit well on top of the cross beam.